Paysend review. Should you use it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Paysend. I'll let you know if you should use it or not. So first of all, let me tell you some pros of Paysend. So it's fast and global transfers, and it's fixed and low fees, and it has easy mobile app, and it's secure and regulated. And the cons of Paysend are low transaction limits, occasionally declines or delays, and support can be inconsistent, and the exchange markups higher than Wise. So choose Paysend if you need fast, affordable transfers for small to mid amounts and want convenience via card-to-card deposits, value transparent flat fees, and quick execution. And you can consider alternatives if you send large sums regularly, require best in market exchange rates, depend on frequent and in-depth customer support. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.